In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Google Calendar on your Windows 10 taskbar. If you're like me and want quick and easy access to your Google Calendar, you'll appreciate having it just a click away right on your taskbar. Let's dive into the steps to get that set up. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to your browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once your Google Calendar is open and loaded, you'll want to position your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll notice three horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those lines to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, there's an option labeled Save and Share. This is the section we're interested in, so click on it to further explore the available options. The Save and Share menu will provide you with different functionalities, but our main focus should be on the Create Shortcut option. Once you see it, click on Create Shortcut, and a new window will pop up. In this new window, you'll have the chance to rename the shortcut. Feel free to name it something easily identifiable like Google Calendar or anything else that resonates with you. After you've typed in your desired name, click on the Create button. This action will place a Google Calendar shortcut directly onto your desktop. With the shortcut now on your desktop, you should easily locate the Google Calendar icon. If it's already there, you're doing perfectly. If not, make sure to check again or refresh the desktop screen to update the display. Icons sometimes take a moment to appear, so don't worry if it's not instant. Now to pin this shortcut to your taskbar for easy access, simply right-click on the newly created Google Calendar icon on your desktop. From the options that appear, select Pin to Taskbar. This step will keep your calendar accessible with just a click from your taskbar, making it simple and efficient to open whenever you need to check your schedule or add new appointments. And there you have it. With these simple steps, Google Calendar is now directly on your Windows 10 taskbar for easy and quick access. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow and keeps you organized moving forward. Enjoy the convenience, and thank you for following along today.